Most people are drowning in debt, working at jobs they hate. But there's a quiet little government website listing paid jobs that lead straight to six figures. And no one's talking about it. Let's change that. There's a site called Apprenticeship.gov. It's run by the U.S. Department of Labor, and it connects you to thousands of paid apprenticeship programs. Not just in the trades, but in tech, healthcare, digital, logistics, finance, and more. These aren't all government jobs. They're real apprenticeships offered by companies across the country, using this platform to find and train new talent. It's completely free. It's updated constantly. And it gives you access to jobs that train you, certify you, and pay you, with no degree required. Let's make this plain. While most people are paying $40,000 a year to sit in a classroom, hoping it'll pay off later, this site is giving you structured, paid career paths you can walk into right now. And here's the thing, you can search by job title, location, remote work, industry, wage, and whether or not you need a college degree. Hint, most don't. What kind of jobs are we talking about? Here are a few live listings we've seen. Cybersecurity Technician Apprentice. Starts at $26 per hour. Hybrid. No degree. CompT. IA. Certification included with the job. Path to $80,000 plus in under 2 years. Then there is the Medical Coding Apprentice. $20 to $27 per hour. That's $50,000 plus a year to start. TIA remote option. Paid training. Certification covered. Career path leads to $60,000 to $70,000 plus in healthcare administration. Next we have the Tower Climber Apprentice, Telecom. Starts at $24 per hour. Field-based. Paid climb training and OSHA certificates. Can reach 6 figures by year 2. We also have the Logistics and Freight Coordinator. $21 per hour to start. Remote option. Learn routing systems, dispatch, and inventory control. Can lead directly into freight broker roles earning $10,000 to $30,000 per month. And finally, we have the IT Help Desk/Network Support Apprentice. Starts at $23 per hour. Certification prep built in. Jumpstart into tech without a degree or bootcamp debt. I want to tell you why this site matters right now. The world changed. Degrees aren't guarantees. Internships are unpaid. And most people are just trying to survive. But Apprenticeship.gov was built to help you skip the guesswork and go straight to paid, structured career training backed by the federal government. This is where you can find work you can start now, certifications that stack, and careers that scale, all without waiting 4 years to maybe, possibly, land an entry-level job. This is how to use it. Go to Apprenticeship.gov. Click Find an Apprenticeship. Use filters like remote, entry-level, or healthcare to narrow it down. Apply. Follow up. Stay consistent. Get in the room. If you're willing to learn, this site will help you earn. Because these jobs don't just pay a wage, they teach you a skill set that pays for life. This is not hype. This is not a hustle. This is the start of forever money.